I went and worked out, did a hip hop class recently with the mascara on. All in all though, my pick is Hey you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited to show you the comparison between L'Oreal's Double Extend Beauty Tubes and My Little Mascara's Length and Definition formula. Okay, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, hit that button below, turn on notifications so you know when we post. We're trying to do at least one video a week, if not more. Our children are getting a little older and they're somewhat taking care of themselves, which is amazing. We've got a little more time on our hands to provide more videos to you guys. Also make sure you're following us on Instagram at Beauty Budget Moms. You'll see that we post a lot more quantity there and we love doing stories. So make sure you follow us there as well. And without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna show you exactly how I apply these and then we're gonna go over the difference to see which one wins. Okay, you guys, there you have it. I have applied the L'Oreal Double Extend Beauty Tubes to this side, and I have applied Little Mascara Club's Length and Definition formula to this side. And I think you can really tell a difference between these two sides. The My Little Mascara Club is just more full, more defined, more lengthened, whereas the L'Oreal Double Extend Beauty Tube tends to have that kind of spider leg look, don't you think? I really just love the final look of My Little Mascara Club's mascara. I just think it looks gorgeous. So let's talk about the difference real quick. Number one, the wand. You'll see in my video, I showed you Little Mascara Club's curvature of the wand. Well, that curvature matches the shape, the natural shape of your eye. So it's able to get to different angles that other wands that don't have a curve can. The shape of the brush is going to really help define your lashes. Number two, let's just talk about the formula, the ingredients in these products. So you know the L'Oreal Extend Beauty Tubes, or it has a primer, and then it has the actual mascara going over that primer. Whereas Little Mascara Club's mascara does not have a primer. What I've found with primer-based mascaras, and especially L'Oreal Beauty Tubes, is that throughout the day, I start to notice that primer peeking through. And that drives me crazy. I don't like that. With My Little Mascara Club, obviously there is no primer, so you're not gonna deal with that. Okay, and let's real quick talk about that wand length. So both mascaras actually have a small wand, and so that helps when you're applying mascara to come from tighter angles. Picture, if you will, a dentist, okay? A dentist trying to work on your teeth with these really tall, long tools. It's not gonna do a very good job, but If you get shorter tools, as dentists have, they're able to get really close to your teeth and work efficiently. It's the same with mascara. So when you have a shorter wand and you're closer to your eye, you can apply mascara at better angles with a better technique. So both have a shorter wand, so that's fantastic. The L'Oreal Double Extend Beauty Tubes and the My Little Mascara Club are somewhat waterproof. Now, if you get in water and you're like rubbing at your eyes, it's going to come off. But they're going to stay put a lot better than other mascaras. L'Oreal Extend Beauty Tubes is a tube mascara, of course. My Little Mascara Club is not, but it comes off in a very similar fashion. You wanna make sure that you're getting your eyes extremely wet with both of these mascaras. You need a decent amount of water. I suggest while you're in the shower to take these off because they both just come off kind of in clumps. Neither of them get up top, neither of them flake below. I went and worked out, did a hip hop class recently with the My Little Mascara Club's mascara on, and I didn't have any smudging up here, no flaking below. It was fantastic. So all in all though, my pick is My Little Mascara Club. It is just all around. It takes everything that L'Oreal Double Extend Beauty Tubes has and then some. There's just, the final product, in my opinion, is just a lot prettier, a lot fuller, a lot more definition, not as much clumpiness and that spider leg look that you get with L'Oreal's Double Extend Beauty Tubes. Okay, you guys, that was so much fun. Thank you so much for joining me today for my comparison of L'Oreal's Double Extend Beauty Tubes to My Little Mascara Club's length and definition formula. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join us every week as we review products that we love. Thanks again.